So the net benefit reward automatically categorizes individuals into three groups, basically. You have producers, people who produce things for other people. It's very self-explanatory. You have consumers, people who consume the actions of the producers. And then you have the payer organization. I'll give you a second to consume that slide. Okay, time's up. So in the Zeitgeist movement, they have this thing called the resource-based economy. And the resource-based economy is essentially it's a non-scarcity, free society where all goods and services are provided to individuals based on some sort of distribution mechanism. The distribution mechanism is not defined, as far as I know, in the Zeitgeist movement. What my organization is doing is trying to define that. So the way that things get done in a resource-based economy from my organization standpoint is this way. So the resources are distributed according to the net benefit that those resources can produce. Those resources have to interact with the human being, because human beings are the ones that produce the actions. So, for example, if I have a certain amount of ore that I own over here, I can choose freely to do whatever I want with it. But in this environment where my actions are somewhat, governed not the right word, but are determined by the amount of net benefit I produce, I'm going to want to take that ore and either use it for a sole purpose that produces the most net benefit I could generate, or spread it among different applications to generate kind of an average net benefit across the multiple uses. You see that? Consumers are going to consume the thing that my ore produces. When they consume that thing, some sort of benefit is produced. A benefit cannot show up unless a human being consumes my action. By consume, I mean like interacts with the product or service that I produce. The activity is observed either by members of the payer organization, or it's reported by the producers or the consumers to the payer organization, so that that information can be fed into the algorithm which kicks out the net benefit reward. And then, of course, I as a producer, because I've taken that ore and applied it in some manner, receive my reward commensurate with the calculation done in the net benefit algorithm. And of course, the rewards open up access to